baby. You're on a ship. That's all.
Are you okay?
Is that ours? Does that have our name?
I will hope. Am I gonna go into
314. A junior is sweet. Okay.
Hello, it's me. What's up, people? We are in 9314. All right, this is gonna be the quick room tour because I'm tired, I'm hungry, we got things to do, we got things to eat.
It's 1 p.m. by the way, so that's why the room.
1 p.m. So we ran. Long story. We'll probably go over it later on. But pretty much, this is the room. You got a wall right here with hooks.
Oh wow,
It's sturdy. Here it's kind of weird because I don't think I've ever had a bathroom on this side that's like all the way over here. So it's kind of odd. But this is the bathroom. The bathroom is nice and big. The tub is actually really deep. We got fancy amenities. So we got like sea and breeze, salt and breeze, colorful amenities. Look at that. We even have a vanity kit. That probably got some good Q-tips in there. And you have a bunch of space. You got the little doors that have extra cups. You got more space there. You got some other space. All right. You're taking too long. Now come along. I said it was going to be quick.
Not you rushing the camera, man.
All right, here we got a closet.
Do it again.
We got a closet, we got robes, but this time they're not basic robes. This time we have crown y anchor.
Because we made it a platinum, baby.
We sure did.
You do get robes on the suite as well, but you don't get the ones that say crown and anchor.
And they got the logo. I actually packed slippers for the first time in my life, and I don't even need them because we got some.
I'm never gonna take those home.
I'm taking them home.
Look at the life vest that face.
We did our muster station in less than 15 seconds. He's like, did you watch the video? Do you have any questions? Enjoy. I said, well, good thing I know how to blow the horn and my life
I love muster
vest.
stations like this.
All right.
Backing it up.
All right, here we have a cama. Very spacious. We have a lot of drawers. We have a desk. We have some storage here. We have storage here. Drawers, you know, Cristali likes to know where the safe is at, so it's probably, oh, that's the fridge. Oh, well, oh, wow, this is different. Look, if we want to hide me in there, just put her in there. All right, you got all this fancy stuff, beautiful, nice. Here you got the safe. Bam!
This thing is mad small.
Well, we don't own anything. All our jewelry is from Shein. And then we got a, okay. Royal. I understand, right? I understand that you have a lot of rooms. But what is this? This is
a older
desk.
TV.
This is not a TV.
I mean, the older ship. I'm sorry.
She's gonna keep interrupting me, huh? My point was, this is a desktop monitor. This is the monitor that I use for my work. This is ridiculous. Y'all need to do better. But anyways, okay. So we got a little tiny TV. I don't watch TV, so I don't really care. And then we have café.
Cafecito
Cafecito por la mañana, you know. And then we have utensils. We have leche. Oh, I've never seen them look like that. All right. And then moving. So we actually have a connecting door, but we have nobody we connecting with. Because our friends, they broke it. They're not low middle class. They high middle class, but they still broke it. So pretty much, we have a connecting door if we had somebody that was with us, but we have nobody that was with us. And then for our balcony, there's a lot of wear and tear on this boat, but it is ship. Oh my God. God forbid I call it a boat. But it's pretty cute. Oh my.
Lighting.
Here we have the balcony. It looks a little rustic. Crusty. But we're not gonna complain. We know that this ship is a little old. It just needs a little bit of love in its life. Along with a new TV.
We are also on the hump of the ship. So we're really on the hump. And when we get off, I can show you guys. But yeah, we're in the middle. And we are also big ship. She got me spending all my money on cruises. I see you're not gonna be coming out here that much.
Oh. And then here, when we have our business meetings with our friends, we have 2 seats and we have a little sofa and a little table. This one is smaller than our last suite, but it's cozy. I feel like it's pretty spacious. You know, we don't need all that extra stuff. Yeah, that concludes it. I think I went over everything. Is there anything I missed?
No, we'll link the Symphony of the Sea Suite video in the top corner over here or down there or at the bottom in the description. That's her job. So I'll make sure she puts it in the description below. You ready to go eat?
Look at that.
And I'll wait to see our friends.
GYBWOC.
Can you believe you're on a cruise? In the front.
Imagine they're not here.
Well, the card is not there.
Hello. Do you hear me?
Imagine we're at the wrong room.
Let me double check. Oh, this is happening.
Lord.
You got me knocking on the wrong door.
We're here.
Oh my God, I was knocking. Hurry up. I was knocking on the wrong door. They're gonna find me. I was knocking on the wrong door and I was like, hello.
Hey, Mia.
Welcome my room.
Welcome to your room.
Yeah. Is it TV?
Oh, I'm recording.
TV.
This is our friend's room. They got an interior.
You got cereal?
Yeah, Mom.
Oh yeah, that was from my room.
Mia, I heard you got a duck already.
Look, show them your dogs here.
Can I see your duckies?
Yeah.
Let me see. Wow.
See, this one says Happy Thanksgiving,
Thanksgiving.
and this one has a turkey.
Turkey. Oh, I can't believe it's touchscreen actually.
This is me a second cruise?
Yeah.
Damn.
What a life.
Alright.
Huh? Because we gotta go do fun stuff and eat.
The last time Mia was here, she was had a book bag and a strap and a leash. A leash. Inserts clip here.
She said she wanted to go to the pool. I'm like, nah. She's like, why?
The first one in the Voyager class, or something like that.
Oh my God, I love leaving out of Miami, even with all the construction. She said in the casino too that she won game. So it's 3 to 5, 6 to 8 for explorers. Alright, this area is for the teens from 12 to 17, and they can come and go as they
Get rid of
please.
kids.
They'll get a bracelet, like at the beginning, and they can just come and go. Burger, no bun, french fries, mac and cheese, some beef, something, and chicken, garlic chicken fried rice.
Sing it. You ready to do karaoke with Checo?
Yeah. I got a picture.
Yes,
I got a voluntold.
Oh,
It's
Cristali
right
said
before
family.
Our room fits all our friends.
Just if you want to like wash them. That's what we did in Thailand. We like wash.
Everybody to the right. Everybody leave your hands up in the air. Move your head. Shimmy. Again. So 1 to the right, 2, 3 to the back. And right, 2, 3, 4 and left. 2, 3, 4 and right. Left, and 2. That's kind of girl I like to meet.
Brian, you ready to sail away? You ready?
We're on vacation. Look alive.
Go. Do a little shimmy. Hey, come on. Up and down. Up and down. Look at you glistening in the sun.
Put me on YouTube, I'm striking the channel.
Why?
I'm striking it.
I got permission from your parents.
Yeah, but not for me.
Oh my god.
Yo, there's so many.
You wanna be on YouTube?
No.
Why? You're gonna be famous. You can show all your friends.
You don't want all your girlfriends to see where you was at.
Exactly. How you lived your life for 11 days, not being in school. Being privileged and a platinum member.
Just share it with me. All that shows.
But you see it. You have it. You know what the channel is.
He be watching them.
I know he do.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
He's probably like our #1 fan watching all our.
Right, low key, and then he be like, no. Look at my room decorations. Aren't they so nice? She gets on my nerves.
Wow, the sun is setting.
My goodness, I got outside. Okay, that's it for my room decorations. Let's see, it was the other Royal Caribbean ship in port today. I love Miami, as always.